Heart harmers. Foods to avoid for a healthy beat. Maintaining heart health is vital, and diet plays a crucial role in its well-being. A balanced diet not only fuels the body efficiently, but also minimizes the risk of heart diseases by regulating blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Excessive salt intake is a common dietary pitfall that can lead to elevated blood pressure, putting additional strain on the heart. Reducing salt in your diet can help manage blood pressure levels, thereby decreasing the risk of heart disease. Processed meats, often loaded with preservatives and high in sodium, are deceptive heart health offenders. Opting for fresh, lean meats or plant-based protein sources can significantly reduce the intake of these harmful additives. Deep-fried foods are high in trans fats, which are known to increase the risk of heart disease. Swapping out deep-fried items for foods cooked in healthier methods like baking or grilling can benefit your heart health immensely. Refined sugars, found abundantly in sweets and processed foods, can damage the heart over time. Limiting the consumption of sugary treats and drinks and replacing them with natural sugar sources like fruits can aid in protecting your heart. Full-fat dairy often comes under scrutiny due to its high saturated fat content, believed to worsen heart health. However, recent studies suggest that in moderation, it may not be as harmful as once thought, emphasizing the importance of a balanced diet. Fast food's convenience masks the heart risks associated with its high sodium and trans fat content. Opting for healthier alternatives or preparing meals at home can significantly reduce the strain on your heart, promoting long-term well-being. Bakery products may seem like a harmless treat, but they're often loaded with trans fats and refined sugars. These ingredients contribute to heart disease, making it crucial to limit consumption and choose whole grain, less processed options when possible. Soda and other sugary drinks are major contributors to obesity, a known risk factor for heart disease. Cutting back on these beverages can drastically improve heart health, with water, herbal teas, and unsweetened juices being much healthier choices. The link between red meat and heart disease is primarily due to its saturated fat and cholesterol content. Moderating intake and opting for leaner meats or plant-based protein sources can help maintain a healthy heart and reduce disease risk. Margarine has long been touted as a healthier alternative to butter, but not all types are created equal. Opt for versions with no trans fats and low in saturated fats to minimize heart risks. Reading labels is crucial to making heart-healthy choices. White bread, pasta, and rice might be pantry staples, but their refined nature means they're stripped of beneficial fiber, leading to quicker spikes in blood sugar. Swap these out for their whole grain counterparts to maintain a healthier heart and improved overall well-being. Alcohol, in moderation, can be part of a balanced lifestyle, but excessive consumption can lead to serious heart issues. Limiting your intake can prevent high blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease, keeping your heart functioning optimally. Microwave popcorn might be a convenient snack, but many brands contain trans fats and chemicals that are harmful to your heart. For a healthier alternative, pop your own kernels in a pot with a touch of olive oil and sea salt. Canned soups, while convenient, often come loaded with sodium, which can significantly raise blood pressure. Looking for low-sodium options or making homemade soup allows you to control the amount of salt, making it a better choice for heart health. Energy drinks can be a tempting boost, but their high caffeine and sugar content pose significant risks to your heart. Opt for natural energy sources like fruits or a short walk, which can invigorate your body without harming your heart. Artificial sweeteners often seem like a healthy alternative to sugar, but their effect on heart health is still under scrutiny. Instead, try enhancing your drinks and meals with natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup, which are easier on your heart. Palm oil, found in many processed foods, is not only controversial for its environmental impact, but also for its role in heart health due to its high saturated fat content. Choosing products with healthier oils, like olive or canola, can protect your heart. Breakfast cereals may kickstart your day, but beware of those high in sugar and salt. Look for whole grain options with low added sugars to fuel your morning without compromising your heart health. Adding fresh fruit can enhance flavor naturally. Frozen meals are convenient, but often loaded with sodium and preservatives, which can lead to high blood pressure and strain on the heart. Preparing and freezing homemade meals in batches can offer both convenience and control over what you're eating for heart health. To protect your heart, Consider swapping potato chips and other salty snacks for healthier alternatives like nuts, seeds, or homemade popcorn. These options offer the crunch you crave without the excessive salt and fat that strain your heart. Understanding the balance in your diet is crucial for maintaining heart health. Opt for whole, unprocessed foods and keep an eye on sodium and fat intake. This approach not only supports your heart, but also enhances your overall well-being.